Welcome to Callaway Villas College Station, a one-stop student destination for comfort, convenience and community. These stylish 2 to 4 bedroom apartments and sleek studios featuring a cozy full-sized bed for dreamy sleeps, a fully equipped kitchen for your culinary adventures and tons of storage space. Plus, tackle heaps of clothes with the in-unit laundry setup, smash intense workouts at the 24-hour fitness center, or dive into the swimming pool for some laps. With roommate matching, say goodbye to the stress of finding the right companions. This property has all your academic needs covered with the Academic Success Center with IMAX ready to roll and Wi-Fi included in the rent. Located at 305 Marion Pugh Drive, you are just a short drive from Texas A&M University and the Blinn College, Bryan Campus, so your timely arrival to class is inevitable when Park West and Olsen Field at Bluebell Park bus stops are a stroll away. Adventures around the city are seamless. So book your spot at Callaway Villas College Station today through amberstudent.com.